I started using tobacco in my late teens, early 20s. I did it and I just kept doing it and doing it more. And it's a tough habit to kick without guidance or direction. The first, second, third, fourth times I tried to quit smoking, I didn't have that. I didn't know what the best approach would be. When I called the Oklahoma Tobacco Helpline, they were very supportive. They didn't pressure me. They told me what my options were. You know, hey, this is the type of help we offer, whether it was patches or lozenges or gums, those type things. I didn't feel judged at all. I felt supported. And that was one of the things that had me interested in calling back and actually talking to them. They made me feel like they cared. When I called the Oklahoma Tobacco Helpline, I started out with patches, but found out that I was sensitive to them. And I told them that. And they said, don't worry, we'll try something different. So they ended up giving me lozenges. I did get text messages. I did get, calls, reminders to, just check in. And that's one of the things that the lady that I had spoken with, if I didn't call her immediately or I didn't get back with them or anything, it was not like, forget it, this person doesn't want to help or what else. It's, well, how we doing? Are we still on track? That type thing. It wasn't judgmental at all. That supportive nature encourages you. When I dabbled in the attempts to quit smoking on my own, the cost of cessation products was one of the reasons why I would use an excuse to not use them, because it cost more to try to quit than it actually cost to keep going. I didn't look at the long run. I'm looking at short term. I don't want to spend $35, $40 on a gum. The fact that it's offered free was one of the determining factors, not just a minor factor in my decision to call them. It was the factor, because what do you have to lose?